Good evening. My name is Pooja Thakur and I belong from Bangalore. In this 3 days workshop, I learned many good things about the 21st century. There's a good motivation for the students and how to motivate. And in this training, I learned many good things like about the inspiration motivations, about the Microsoft, and many encouraging things we have learned in this 3 days books. It was really very good and very good knowledge we gained in this. Thank you.